Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang auma na ihinda irito hari gucokia ciuria mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igii githomo hari makinya maria ministry niwe tacukitie kuma mutaratara mweru wa githomo wambiriria kurutithio wira undu umwe na uheani-ini wa laptops thukuru-ini cia muthingi na maundu mangi matiganite. Ari mbere ya kamiti ino Kipsang augire kwa ihinda riri mambikite tabarira ya waki wa laboratories thukuru-ini ciothe cia muthingi kumana na kurikirira gwa tabarira ya uheani wa laptops thukuru-ini ciothe.
Phase 1 was to provide a digital device to every learner at that particular time. Phase 2, which we are now working out on, was to do the laboratory model, and we are therefore within the planned activities that we envisage ourselves as government.
Kipsang augite itina ria keri ria tabarira ino rigukorwo ari uheani wa laptops ici thukuru-ini cia secondary, no na gukiri uguo Kipsang ni akanire ati ni augite ni mambite kurugamia tabarira ino uria kwirikanaga ni augite hau kabere.
Phase 2 was to go into the lab model, which we are now doing, and phase 3 will be to avail these particular devices in our secondary school. I've never known where the concept of abandoning came from, so I don't want to answer on that one because we have never mentioned anywhere that we are abandoning. So if anybody is engaging on that particular discourse, it's not from this government.
Tabarira ino kuma yambiriria ikoretwo egumirwo ni mathina kiondorita muno makiria kuingiria uteti ni atongoria amwe makimenyita mbaru na aria angi kumimenereria. No na kuri uguo thirikari ni yambire gucenjia riciria riri kuria handu-ini ha uheani wa laptops thirikari yaheanire tablets ikiuga ni kunyihanyihia ngarama o undu umwe na gutigirira arutwo othe ni magunika na tabarira ino. Hari gutigirira arutwo othe aria mekire kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka muhituku ni maingira form 1, Kipsang augite kaunti ya Mombasa, Kitui, Kwale na Embu itihotete gukinyaniria ritana ria thirikari na ministry ya githomo ni iretha kihonia, akiuga mekwambiriria na kaunti ya Embu.
We are doing an analysis to find out why there is that low enrollment, and part of the people that we shall be engaging to know why there is low enrollment is the leadership of Embu, because they might be better placed to tell us why there are such troubles in their own areas. So we shall be having an engagement exactly to know why that particular Embu is not a poor county in terms of it's an agricultural area. So it's one thing that we would want to know.
Oho Kipsang ni ateteire ministry ino hari uheani wa mafuku gukirikana ni maheanite mafuku maingi gukira uria thukuru irabatara. Kwa ihinda riri kiuria kinene na kiria gitari kiragia na anja ni kana thukuru ciothe ni irikitie kwamukira laptops ici ta uria Kipsang arauga. Githomo Kamiti TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.
For not availing